Why does one of my shoulders sit higher than the other? Adding a shimmer. So the shimmer tip, sorry, I just have to figure this out. Hi, today on Just the Tip, I'm going to show you how to add a shimmer highlight to the tip of your nose and your Cupid's bow. Adding a touch of shimmer is my favorite way of finishing off a glowy look. For this, you'll need either a cream or powder shimmer highlighter. For a powder highlighter, what you'll do is you'll dip your brush in the product, tap off the excess, and then gently apply it to the tip of your nose. You can also work your way up along the center of your nose if you'd like. And then for the Cupid's bow, again, gently just patting it right above where your lips meet. Cream or liquid highlighters come in all sorts of forms, whether it be pan, bottle. This particular one is a pencil. So the placement is exactly the same as the powder highlight. You're just going to add that product wherever you want a bit more of a glow. And we'll do just a little bit above the Cupid's bow. Now, your makeup artist will use a brush to blend that out, but for personal use, quite honestly, it's easier to use your finger when you're working with a cream product, as your fingers will warm up the product and help blend it just a smidge better. Let's take a peek. Now there you have it, a quick, easy way to add a shimmer highlight to the tip of your nose and your Cupid's bow.